Welcome to Resume Secrets Made Simple. Welcome to today's video, 5 golden rules for writing an incredible resume. Whether you're starting from scratch or revamping your current one, these tips will help you stand out. Your resume is your ticket to landing that interview. But with so many applications competing for attention, how can you make yours shine? Let's break it down into 5 golden rules that will help you craft a winning resume. Rule number 1, tailor your resume to each job. Recruiters are looking for candidates who fit in the role perfectly. Use keywords from the job description and showcase your most relevant skills and experiences. Rule number 2, keep your resume clean and professional. A well-organized layout makes it easy for recruiters to find the information they need. Avoid fancy fonts or cluttered designs. Stick to simplicity. Rule number 3, highlight your achievements, not just your responsibilities. Use numbers to showcase your impact. For example, instead of saying managed sales tasks, say increased sales by 20% through strategic outreach. Rule number 4, less is more. Keep your resume concise, ideally 1 to 2 pages. Focus only on the experiences and skills that support the job you're applying for. And finally, rule number 5, proofread, proofread, proofread. Even small typos can leave a negative impression. Have someone you trust review your resume before sending it out. Follow these 5 golden rules and you'll be well on your way to crafting a resume that gets noticed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more resume tips and career advice. See you next time.